Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working again on this Audi A3 Quattro. Now as you're probably aware, we've recently repaired some crash damage to the front of this car, and the front wheels were actually damaged in the accident. I can only imagine it's hit a curb and one of the alloys had actually cracked. So in today's video we're going to be fitting new alloys to this Audi A3. We live in the UK and it's always wet here. We're currently in the depths of winter, and throughout this whole series it's been raining non-stop. We haven't had a single dry day. So that's really why these Audis are so good. You've got the four-wheel drive, and yeah, perfect for a daily driver in the UK. And the wheel choice sort of reflects that. We've gone for basically 16-inch Audi wheels. They are the right everything to fit the car, and they come with some nice chunky good tread winter tyres. And once these wheels are on, I think the Audi's pretty much done. Is it high enough?
Yeah, they are enough.
Going into winter now, these winter wheels are going to be perfect. So yeah, cannot wait to take it for a spin, see how it handles. So here we are setting off in this 2-litre Audi Quattro. Now with the work we've done, I'd say this car is looking pretty sweet from the exterior, and it's now driving pretty sweet as well. The rumbling at the rear has been sorted, the dented panel's been sorted, the mismatched wheels have been sorted, and now it's fully serviced as well. Now when I like to work on a car, I usually like to have some sort of theme or an idea behind it. Now with this car in particular, I think it's a perfect British daily driver. And the reason for that is, as you can see, yet again it's still raining here in the UK and it's absolutely soaking. This car's got the four-wheel drive Quattro system, which means you just get all the power down all the time, and it's quite fun to drive. I find with a lot of front wheel drive hot hatches, especially ones that I've had in the past, such as the Clio RS, they're absolutely amazing on a hot summer's day on a track, but daily driving them in the wet, they're a bit of a handful and they don't really go that well. They just can't get the power down. Now not only has this car got the all-wheel drive system, which I keep talking about, but it's pretty pokey as well. It's got the 2-litre turbocharged engine. And you can pick these up for a much more affordable price than the S3 or certainly the RS3. I'd say this car is literally probably 15 times cheaper than an RS3 and probably 5 times cheaper than an S3. I'd say you're still getting 90% of the car. So while these are definitely not cheap cars, they're still Audis and they're desirable. They are an easier entry point than some other models. Handles it pretty well. It's just no messing about. It just gets on with it and does it. And that's pretty much the theme of this car, no messing about. Okay, so we're going to talk about the interior now. What's my opinions of build quality? Well, I've never had a car where I've noticed it having really good build quality. I've never really had a car, well, I suppose the Citroen Saxo and the 106 were notably poor, but this one's noticeably solid. The steering wheel, no flex, it's a solid steering wheel. There's no squeaks, there's no funny noises. The seats are comfy and solid, they don't flex about. And yeah, we've got leather heated seats. So again, you know, the perfect daily driver. Get in this thing on a cold winter's day, you've got warm heated seats, 4-wheel drive, and awesome. So 100% it was definitely worth doing this Audi, and I do think we're going to do a similar thing in the future. I'm not sure on what car, but don't regret it, and I think that if we were to sell this car, a decent profit would be made. So hopefully you have enjoyed this little series. If you have, be sure to let me know down in the comments, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.